Okay, so in a previous video we were troubleshooting a gas pack and we talked about the sequence of events. So here's another example. Alright, so when the heat comes on, first thing that happens, vent motor comes on. Once the vent motor comes on, this pressure switch is going to close. Once the pressure switch closes, we're going to get some sort of ignition, either a hot surface igniter or a spark. In this case we have a spark, and then the gas valve will open and then the flame. So let's take a look. Alright, so the vent motor is on, pressure switch is closed. Next thing we should get is some kind of spark. I don't hear or see any spark. I hear the gas valve open. I'm smelling the gas. If gas is being released, that spark should have sparked. So in this case, what we actually have is a bad ignition port. Alright, so I'm going to swap it out, then I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's working properly. Okay, so we got the new board installed. The spark igniter. Let's give it a test. Vent motor, pressure switch. Here's a little bit of bonus footage on these boards. Sometimes you can flip them over and you'll see burnt out things. This one's not too bad, but you can clearly see on the bottom of that igniter where it burnt out. Alright guys, happy learning.